Okay, we're in the attic. That is our fresh air induction. So it opens and closes. That tells us the motor's working. This is our air return vents. This is our air filter. Right in here, it's me. It's my reflection. Coming along. Fan motor doesn't look too hot, and that's a good thing. So we're coming along. This is all of our air supply duct, and we're going to see a little bit of cold right in there, but you can read it. Okay, central. Are we in Celsius again? I keep putting this in. Use my hand. No, I can't feel any air leaking. You can see the thermal bridging. Menu, gear. I'm locked out in real time.